Hey everyone! In this short video, I'll explain how to perform factor analysis. Factor analysis is a statistical technique that identifies underlying relationships between variables in a dataset. There are a few key steps to running factor analysis in R. First, install and load the psych, GPArotation, and nFactors packages, which provide the necessary functions. Next, calculate the correlation matrix for your dataset using the COR function. This shows the correlations between all variables. Then, determine the optimal number of factors to extract. You can use eigenvalues, parallel analysis, or other methods. After that, run the factor analysis using the FA function and specify options like the number of factors, rotation method, etc. Once run, you'll get the factor loadings, which show the correlation between variables and factors. Analyze these to interpret and label the factors. You can also get factor scores for each observation, which represent their values on each factor. That's a quick overview of how to run factor analysis in R. With just a few lines of code, you can uncover the latent factors and relationships in your data. Check out my full tutorial for more details. Thanks for watching.